Today I'm going to show you how to make a variation listing on eBay. I have 3 pairs of men's jeans. Right here is my title. They're all the same size, but they're different colors. That's why I put in there, pick a color. Down in the item specifics here, do not pick a color. It might try to put a color in there for you. Make sure that is blank. And then as you come down through, now I did this on my phone and saved it as a draft, and then I brought it over to my PC and I am finishing it on my PC. You have to do it on your laptop. You go into edit on variations, and then what I did was you have to add in your variations. So I put in color, and then I picked blue and black, and tan was not in there, so I had to use create your own, and I added tan. So now you can see that's up there. I have 3 variations. There's all my pictures that I took. But what I want is for each variation under color here to have the right photos. So I only want the blue photos with the blue one, the black with the black, and the tan with the tan. I saved these to my laptop. That's how I was able to get them in here. If I needed to add a photo, I would just click on the add button and add another photo to it. So it automatically created this. Now, if it has just blue, 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 that's where you want to make sure you're going in and changing it up here. You have to add them in up here. Over here, I put my quantity. I have 1 of each, and I'm giving them all the same price, $21.99. Don't have to put in the UPC code, and I don't have to put in a SKU because I have a box that I put all my jeans into, so I know where these are going to go. And then you just hit save and close, and you come down. Now mine are all new with tags. I put this in my description, which is listing is for 1 pair of jeans. Pick a color, either blue, tan, or black, just to make it very specific, because I wouldn't want someone thinking they're getting all 3 for that price that I gave you earlier. If they do buy additionals, I did add the volume pricing. If they buy more than 1, they get discounts on it. That's optional. Then I put my shipping in it. I decided to go with a priority padded flat rate, and I gave the buyer exactly what it's going to cost. And then I just come down to the bottom and I list it. And that's it.